Okay, so question 9, it says in a school 60% of the students are girls. So immediately in my mind that's make me think, right, there must be 40% that are boys. 50% of the girls walk to school. So 50% don't walk to school. 20% of the boys walk to school, and therefore 80% of the boys don't walk to school. It says, what percentage of the students walk to school? Now, this is a little bit tricky because we don't have any numbers. It doesn't say in a school there's, 1,200 students or something. So we're just going by the percentages. So we need to think about this. If we start by the first bit, it says there's 60% of the students are girls and 50% of them walk to school. So if we work out 50% of this 60%, which is the girls, half of 60% is 30%. So 30% of the overall students are girls who walk to school. If we think about the second bit, it says 20% of the boys walk to school. Well, we've already worked out that there must be 40% of the school that are boys. So if 20% of them walk to school, we're working out 20% of the 40%. So we're doing 20% of the 40% of the school that we know who are boys. So 10% of 40 is 4. 20% would therefore be 8%. A bit complicated with all these percents that we're looking at. So if we think about what this means, 30% of the whole school are girls who walk to school. 8% of the whole school are boys who walk to school. So in total, it's 38%. So that would give you 3 marks.